In this video, I'm going to share with you the most powerful visualization technique to manifest anything you want in life. It's the power of the laws of attraction at work, and it's what The Secret never told you about. I used this technique to manifest money, successful business, and brand deals. And now I'm sharing with you exactly how to do the same thing. So if you're ready to learn how to visualize and manifest anything you want, keep watching. In this video, I'll share the missing key component in how to visualize. I'll explain how to get yourself in that position and push it forward. And I'll give you the step-by-step strategy to manifest anything you want. I'll also discuss the biggest problem with guided meditation and other visualization techniques and teach you how to get into that zone, that state of mind, that vibrational frequency where you can manifest instantly whatever you want in life. When it comes to the topic of visualization, the movie The Secret has certainly brought it to the forefront of people's minds. However, one key component that is often missing in many discussions and explanations of visualization is the actual process of how to visualize properly. Visualization is essentially the process of creating a mental image of something in your mind. It's a powerful tool that can be used to help you achieve your goals and manifest your desires. However, many people struggle with visualization because they don't know how to do it properly. So, what is the missing key component in how to visualize? It's the understanding that visualization is not just about creating a mental image. It's about engaging all of your senses and truly feeling as though you have already achieved your goal or desire. To visualize properly, you need to immerse yourself in the experience. Imagine yourself in the scene, not just looking at it from afar. If you're visualizing a new car, for example, imagine yourself sitting in the driver's seat, feeling the steering wheel in your hands and smelling the new car smell. The more you can engage your senses, the more real your visualization will feel. Another important aspect of visualization is to focus on the end result rather than the process of getting there. Don't worry about how you will achieve your goal or desire. Instead, focus on the feeling of having already achieved it. This will help to align your thoughts and emotions with your desired outcome, making it more likely to manifest in your life. Now that you understand the missing key component in how to visualize, how do you get yourself in that position and push it forward? It all starts with setting clear and specific goals. You need to know exactly what you want to achieve and why you want to achieve it. This will help to keep you motivated and focused on your visualization. Once you have your goals in mind, you can start to visualize them on a daily basis. Set aside time each day to immerse yourself in your visualization, using all of your senses to create a vivid mental image. This will help to reinforce the feeling of already having achieved your goal or desire and will attract it into your life. It's important to remain flexible and adaptable in the face of challenges and setbacks. This means being open to new opportunities and ideas and being willing to adjust your plans if necessary. By staying flexible, you can overcome obstacles and find new ways to achieve your goals. Manifestation is the process of bringing your desires into reality through the power of your thoughts and emotions. With the right strategy, you can manifest anything you want. Here is a step-by-step strategy to manifest your desires. Step 1. Set clear and specific goals. This is the foundation of the manifestation process. You need to have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve and why you want to achieve it. When setting your goals, be specific and include details such as a timeline, measurable outcomes, and any other relevant information that will help you stay focused and motivated. Step 2. Create a vision board. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals and desires. It can be a physical board with images and words cut out from magazines, or a digital board created using software or apps. The key is to choose images and words that represent your goals and make you feel excited and inspired. Place your vision board in a prominent location where you will see it often and be reminded of your goals. Step 3. Take action towards your goals. Visualization alone is not enough to manifest your desires. You need to take tangible steps towards achieving your goals. This may involve learning new skills, networking with people in your field, or taking on extra responsibilities at work. The key is to take consistent action towards your goals, even if it is just a small step each day. Step 4. Stay positive and maintain a high vibration. This means focusing on the good in your life and being grateful for what you have. When you are in a positive state of mind, you attract positive experiences and opportunities into your life. Practice daily gratitude and affirmations, surround yourself with positive people and uplifting content, and do things that bring you joy and happiness. Step 5. Trust the process and let go of attachment. Once you have set your goals, created your vision board, taken action towards your goals, and maintained a positive mindset, it is important to trust the process and let go of attachment to the outcome. This does not mean giving up on your goals, but rather trusting that the universe will bring you what you need at the right time. Letting go of attachment also means being open to unexpected opportunities and changes in direction. Here's an example of how to apply this step-by-step strategy. Let's say your goal is to start your own business. You start by setting a clear and specific goal to launch a successful business within the next 12 months. Next, you create a vision board that includes images of successful entrepreneurs, your desired income, and a list of your business goals. You then spend time each day visualizing yourself as a successful business owner. You imagine yourself running a thriving business, enjoying the freedom and flexibility that comes with being your own boss. You use all of your senses to create a vivid mental image of your success. To take action towards your goal, you start networking with people in your industry and taking courses on entrepreneurship. You also start putting in extra hours at your current job to save up money for your business. You maintain a positive mindset by focusing on the good in your life and being grateful for the opportunities that come your way. You trust the universe to guide you towards your desired outcome and remain confident in your ability to succeed. The biggest problem with guided meditation is that these techniques are often used as tools to help people manifest their desires and achieve their goals. However, the biggest problem with these techniques is that they often focus too much on the process of visualization rather than the feeling of having already achieved the desired outcome. For example, a guided meditation may instruct you to imagine yourself taking specific steps towards your goal, such as sending out job applications or networking with people in your field. While this can be helpful to some extent, it can also limit your ability to manifest your desires by keeping you focused on the process rather than the end result. To overcome this problem, it's important to focus on the feeling of having already achieved your goal or desire. Instead of visualizing the process of getting there, focus on the end result and imagine how it would feel to have already achieved it. This will help to align your thoughts and emotions with your desired outcome, making it more likely to manifest in your life. It's also important to use visualization techniques that encourage you to engage all of your senses and truly feel as though you have already achieved your goal or desire. This can include using affirmations, visualization exercises, or guided meditations that focus on the feeling of already having achieved your desired outcome. Now let's talk about how to get into that zone, that state of mind, that vibrational frequency. To manifest your desires and achieve your goals, it's important to get into a state of mind that is aligned with the vibrational frequency of your desired outcome. This can be achieved through a variety of techniques, including visualization, affirmations, and meditation. One effective way to get into this state of mind is to visualize yourself in a peaceful and serene environment. Imagine yourself surrounded by nature or in a calming environment that makes you feel relaxed and at ease. This can help to reduce stress and anxiety, allowing you to focus on your desired outcome. Now, I will teach you how to clear your mind power and create your reality. Clearing your mind power is essential for successful manifestation. When your mind is cluttered with negative thoughts and emotions, it can be difficult to align your thoughts and emotions with your desired outcome. To clear your mind power, it's important to practice mindfulness and meditation. One effective technique is to practice mindful breathing. This involves taking slow, deep breaths and focusing on the sensation of the breath moving in and out of your body. This can help to reduce stress and anxiety and create a sense of calm and relaxation. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.